Since you have me there, I just got re-elected for the information of everybody here. Thank you. Meron kang lista na magiging congressman na rin. Si Congressman-elect Paul Patawil. Meron isang party list na nakalista pag sinuwerte yung party list na yan. Meron pang isa. Ano ang pangalan niya? Si Chief Superintendent de La Paz. No? De La Paz, baka swertehin din. And meron pang yung body, yung golf body mo, naging congressman na rin, Congressman Pong Biason. Kasama rin sa Congress. So you can probably serve as a very good congressional liaison officer for the Philippine Navy. Or, considering the inspiration that you have gotten from former military officers who became politicians, maybe you can also pursue politics in the future, be like another Paul Patawil, or maybe a governor like Governor Espino, class of 1974, who's just got re-elected by a resounding landslide in Pangasinan. So, meron kang tatlong career. So, maybe we can talk about that. Kami ni Toto, as I said, hindi kami close to bata pa ako at nung bata pa siya. But then later, over the years, naging close kami. Nung naging Postmaster General ako, nung naging Congressman ako, nung naging National Security Advisor, we shared thoughts together. We talked about our dreams. We talked about so many concerns. We exchanged professional confidential information. Ang dami na itulong sa akin as I went from one career to another. So now, that Toto will have more time. Kasi paminsan-minsan, pag tinatawagan ko si Toto, parating busy. Meron daw training, sabi nung sumasagot. Hindi ko alam, training pala nung central, yung personal staff niya, na kantahan niya tayo, training pinagawa niya. Kaya minsan, mahirap tawagan ko si Toto. But now, we have more time. We can have more time talking to each other and probably know each other better. So Toto, I would like to thank you for making us so proud. This is the Goles Navy family. This is not the politician family, but the Goles Navy family that our father, Salvador Goles, founded, and you have become the symbol, the pride of that Navy family. Congratulations. God bless you. Serving for the following seat. Thank you.